This video will show you how a guest can resubmit the pre-check-in request, which was rejected. Guests have the option to update the missing fields or make the necessary corrections and resubmit the form again. Let us see how. If the pre-check-in form is rejected, rejection mail will be sent to the guest automatically. The mail will have the title, "Additional information required." The mail will mention the reason for rejection. Click Update Information. Click Pre-check-in. Click on the guest name. Go to the section that requires additional information to be filled. Click Upload ID and upload the correct ID proof. Note: other information filled in earlier can be verified. Click the checkbox corresponding to the accommodation rules and terms and conditions. Click Submit. Guests can now verify their e-signature. Click Submit. This brings us to the end of the video on how a guest can resubmit the pre-check-in request, which was rejected.